first is, what I'm gonna use, I'm gonna use the pencil, and just gonna do this is precise for what I'm doing here. Okay, now I can go to layer, vector mask, and current path. And by the way, after you cropped, if you still have some background, white background, well, what I would do here, there's other alternatives as well, but I'll just use this magic wand tool, and then I will click on the here while holding Option. So make sure you hold Option when you click on here on the layer mask. And now we have separated, we have the background transparent, and now I can simply save this, export this as a PNG with the transparent background. I'm gonna save this in downloads and save. Okay, now let's go to InDesign. And here in InDesign, if you don't already have text here, I can show you a very simple tip here. When you add text, you add like here some text, and you don't have some text, you just want to test this, just right click and use this field with placeholder text. Then we can go here and then hold Option and move to the other side here, so we can, just fill this with some text. So after we placed our image here, then we're gonna have to go to Window here, and then here in Window we have Text Warp. Click on that, and then here select our image and then click on this wrap around object shape. Then here we can also make sure you have here both right and left sides, because of course we want. And then here we am gonna type about 9. We can change this the way text. Okay. This said, you can, if you want, like this, looks nice. So you have other options, direct edges, which is probably what you want. Just make sure here also we can, of course, even fit frame correspondingly. And now you can just type here how close you want the text to be to our image. And that's pretty much it.